Hey, what's up guys? So in today's video you're going to be seeing a tutorial on this look that you see here today. I'm using a new palette that I purchased along with a matte palette that you guys saw in my previous video. This is the It's My Pleasure palette. And if you guys want to see how I created this look, then keep on watching. Bye guys. Hey guys, so I'm going to start off by priming my lids with, or not priming, but putting the base, which is my NYX eyeshadow base that I always use, and I'm going to put that all over my lid. And this is just like a flat brush, like I said. And I decided to go ahead and speak in this video because the last one that I uploaded, for some reason I had some trouble with the music that I added to it. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I'll link it up here somewhere so you guys can go watch that video. So I thought I'd just do a walkthrough for this video. So like I said, prime the lid. So I'm going to go in first with this shade using this random little brush. It's called Fan Fiction. And I'm going to take it and apply it right in here. And just in a back and forth motion. And I'm going to bring it all the way in here. Okay, we're going to blend in here. And I'm going to be filming a swatch video after I do this look, so you guys can see how nice these shadows are. This is actually not the first time that I use this palette. I used it yesterday and I really like it. I had filmed a look using the blue palette by Colourpop, but I can honestly say that I'm loving this one a lot more. I mean, the other one's really pretty, but this one is just, I could see myself using this every day this week, no joke. So that's one side. Now we're going to do the other. I'm going to take this is a blending tip shadow brush by Lancome. It's number 16. And I'm going to go in with this shade called Sleeper, which is a plum color, but it comes off a little darker on the lid. So I'm going to take some of that with this brush, and I'm just going to apply it right here on the outside. I'm going to make a V shape. It's a really nice color. Okay. And it's okay if it looks a little crazy, because right now we're going to go in with the blending brush and we're going to make it look much nicer. This is the Morphe M330 blending brush, and I'm just going to go over that, and I'm going to go back and forth until I get the blending that I want. So bring it in. So just go back and forth. And sometimes what helps, like if you feel like you need a little assistance with a blending, you can go back in with a little bit of that first shade that you applied. Just take a little bit on the tip and put it right over the dark one and help blend that out. So I'm going to keep going. And you can push it outward if you want it to go a little more. And you can also do circular motions, but I normally just go back and forth. That works for me. And I think I'm going to add a little bit more of that dark shade right in here. so I want it to go up a little higher. And then back in with a blending brush. Okay, so I feel like that looks pretty even on both sides. And these shades that I've applied, these are the matte shades. This palette has 4 matte shades, so I've used 2. These are matte. Now I'm going to go in with the fun colors, which are the shimmers, which are really nice and really pigmented on this palette. And they're very creamy. They're not like flaky or anything, so I really like the way that looks. Now I'm going to apply first with this just like a little flat brush. I'm going to go in with this purple here. It's called Chiclet. Am I seeing it? Sorry, I was reading it backwards. Yeah, so Chiclet. And I'm going to take some of that on my brush and I'm going to apply it right here. Look at how pretty that is. And just about a third of the lid right here. And then you can go in with your blending brush and kind of just blend it a little bit. And that's all I'm going to do there. Okay, so now I am going to apply this next shimmery color, which is called Bare Minimum. And this is my favorite shimmer color of this palette, but I messed it up. I don't know if you guys can see. I don't know why I do that, but so I'm going to take some of that same brush. And it really, like, I didn't tap it that hard, and look at how much product comes off on the brush. And I'm going to tap it right next to that purple one that we applied. Look at that. So pretty. So that we're going to do that the other third of the lid here. We're going to go in with a little bit of this Do or Dough, which is this one. Same brush. And put it in here. It's beautiful, beautiful. I really like this palette. And I'm going to keep saying that over and over. I know, I'm sorry. Let me see if I can get closer so you guys can see. Okay, and then same thing on the other side. And then last but not least, on the lid, I'm just wiping off the brush. I'm going to take Earth Shine. And I'm going to put that in the inner corner here. Look at that. Small elf brush. And I'm going to go in with that plum one. Sleeper. And I'm going to put it in my lower lash line here. So there's a little bit of fallout, but I might have just dipped it a little too much, but it's not too bad. Put some of that Chiclet shade, which is our first glitter one that we used. And then we'll use Bare Minimum. Of course, I'm going to apply some eyeliner in my lower lash line, which is a Smashbox fishnet that you guys, if you watch all my videos, I always use this. I really like this eyeliner. It's really creamy and really dark, so I really like to use it down here. So there's the black eyeliner under my in my waterline, Now I'm going to apply, actually in this case, I'm not going to apply the eyeliner that I usually put on top because I don't want to, I feel like it's going to take away from the eyeshadow. So in this case, I'm just going to leave it like this. I'm going to apply my mascara, which is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and I'll be right back, okay? Okay, so there's my mascara. If you guys watch my videos, you guys know that I don't do lashes. I know that this look would probably look a lot nicer with lashes, but I can't do lashes. I've tried, I've failed a lot of times, and I just find it a lot easier to apply mascara. So this is what it looks like with a mascara. And for the lips, I'm going to be using this MAC lipstick. It's called Flat Out Fabulous, which is a pretty purple shade here. And that is it for this look. What was I going to tell you guys? I hope you guys liked it. If you want to see the swatches of all the palette, well, not all the palette, all the shades in the palette, I'm going to be filming that video after this one. So it'll probably go up, well, I'm probably going to upload that one first and then this one. But anyways, I'm going to give you guys a close-up. And I hope you guys like this video. Remember to give it a thumbs up if you did. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos and liking and commenting and sharing with your friends. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys. Thanks.